Hello, everyone. Hello, YouTube. Today, I'm going to be in for modding Kerbal Space Program. I have another video, but I noticed in the comments section that I've been ignoring for the last 2 years that people have been having some problems with different aspects. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it completely from scratch. I took Kerbal Space Program and all of Ckan completely off my computer. So we're going to start Steam here, and we're going to download it. And I don't know how long this is going to take. Could be a while. Don't know. I'll try and speed it up in the video editing. And then we're going to go over here. I'll link this website in the comments there. We're going to scroll on down. And we're going to download ckan.exe. Like that. Now that one's going to go up here. Go ahead and just move this to the desktop. Just for ease. You can literally put it anywhere. You can leave it right there. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the desktop. Okay. It's plugging away. So, while that's downloading, figure out where we're going to stick. I'm going to put it in my... I have multiple hard drives. This is my main computer hard drive, a secondary hard drive, and an external hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and stick Kerbal Space Program in secondary. That's just because I like to stick stuff in here. The main computer. Oh, while that's doing it, I should have created a folder already. Let's go ahead. Browse local files. Yeah. So that is how you find where it's all going. Like there's already a Ckan little thing in there. That's cool. Did not know that they started putting that in there with the original game files. Huh. Anyway. Now we have that located. We're gonna wait. Okay. Like it's about loading. At this point, could just fire up and set the pathway to the right one and start modding Kerbal Space Pro. That's entirely possible. But when the game gets updated, it's going to break your mind. So, as we're going to copy Kerbal Space Program, the location, move it from the Steam. That way it only updates when you want to update. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to copy this whole folder. right there. And we're going to come over here. And we're just going to paste like that. See? Simple as that. Then we're going to take Ckan. We put on the desktop. Stick it in there too. Like that. Simple. Now, let's go ahead and start up Ckan. Here is the main thing where you pick the pathway for the game that you want to use, right? So there's the main one. Not a valid one, right? We're going to forget that. Don't forget that to UKSP. Add instance. Now, go ahead and choose. Now notice I'm in other disk games. Purple Space Program. One. And what the fuck? Why did the rest of the stuff not copy over? I don't know. So let's do it again. That crap over here. Find it. Copy it. Now we paste it. Oh, that's more like it. Why did it not do that before? I don't know. Okay, so that has copied over. Let's go back and see it. And go ahead and figure this out again. And here, boom. All right, for build ID. Bam. So now it knows where the game is and where to put the mods. And we're going to go ahead and say yes, automatic check for update. Now it's going to update the repository. It's going to take a second. That's okay. Yeah, sure. All right, so now we're running Ckan version 1.29 for KSP 1.10. That's important. All right, because all these mods are only going to show up for the version we have. Right? Now you're going to see sometimes that mods don't get updated quite as quickly as Kerbal. So sometimes they're going to break. Sometimes they're going to say they are broken, but really they're not broken. So what you're going to want to do is go to KSP version. Say you want to look for a mod that you know will work, but it says it's broken. Figure out what version it is. Click on one of the, it'll pull up that version. Pull up all the ones. Now, if you go over here, you'll see max KSP version. Now you can see 1.9s, 1.10s. A lot of them will say any. That means in the mod program, it doesn't have what KSP. down because they have set that. So let's say we want to download a mod like distant object enhancement continued. We just hit apply changes. It's going to tell us that we also need it, other stuff. Hit apply again. It will install. Okay. So now that is how you install a mod. To uninstall a mod, just kind of uncheck it. Apply it again. Now you've removed mods. Okay. After you've gotten your mods situated, go ahead and launch KSP. Now you can also open the KSP directory, manage instances, which is the same screen. So if you have multiple versions of KSP with different mods, install from .ckan. You can import downloaded mods. So if you find a mod that's not on Ckan, you can download it and import it in. You can export mod packs. As far as Ckan settings, I mean, most of the stuff you do not need ever, right? Plugins, not so much. KSP command line, you're not gonna have to worry about that stuff. Pretty much just what I've showed you.